Hello and welcome to Tutoring Hour. In this video, we'll explore the ocean zones with an exciting quiz packed with 2 thrilling rounds of discovery. Let's get rolling with round 1. Can you name this ocean zone? Is it A. Epipelagic zone, B. Mesopelagic zone, or C. Bathypelagic zone? The correct answer is the epipelagic zone. It is also known as the Sunlit zone and extends between 0 and 200 meters below the surface. What is the name of this ocean zone? Is it A. Bathypelagic zone, B. Epipelagic zone, or C. Mesopelagic zone? The correct answer is the Mesopelagic zone, extending between 200 and 1,000 meters. This zone is also known as the Twilight zone. Which ocean zone is this? Is it A. Mesopelagic zone, B. Abyssal zone, or C. Hadal-pelagic zone? The correct answer is the Abyssal zone. It is also known as the Abyssal zone. This zone lies between 4,000 and 6,000 meters below the surface. Can you identify this ocean zone? Is it A. Mesopelagic zone, B. Hadal-pelagic zone, or C. Bathypelagic zone? The correct answer is the Bathypelagic zone. It is also known as the Midnight zone. This zone extends between 1,000 and 4,000 meters below the surface. Which zone is this? Is it A. Abyssal zone, B. Epipelagic zone, or C. Hadal-pelagic zone? The correct answer is the Hadal-pelagic zone. It is also known as the Trench zone and extends between 6,000 and 11,000 meters. Let's move on to round 2. The water temperature drops off quickly in the Mesopelagic zone. What is this transition layer called? Is it A. Salinity, B. Thermocline, or C. Upwelling? The correct answer is thermocline. A thermocline is the layer between warm surface water and cooler deep water, marked by a sudden temperature change. What is the ability of animals to glow in the dark, caused by the release of energy from chemical reactions in the form of light called? Is it A. Bioluminescence, B. Phototropism, or C. Photosynthesis? The correct answer is bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is the production and emission of light by living organisms. This phenomenon is observed in animals in the Mesopelagic and Bathypelagic zones. In which zone do organisms use bioluminescence as counter-illumination? Is it A. Abyssopelagic zone, B. Epipelagic zone, or C. Mesopelagic zone? The correct answer is the Mesopelagic zone. Many animals here have light-producing organs on their ventral surfaces. They increase the light as they move into light-richer waters and dim them as they descend into deeper waters, becoming invisible to predators. Which zone is known as the desert of the ocean? Is it A. Epipelagic zone, B. Abyssopelagic zone, or C. Mesopelagic zone? The correct answer is the Abyssopelagic zone. The water in this zone is extremely cold and has very little oxygen. It is also completely dark and under very high pressure. In which zone does the Deal vertical migration occur? Is it A. Hadal-pelagic zone, B. Mesopelagic zone, or C. Bathypelagic zone. The correct answer is the Mesopelagic zone. Here, animals migrate vertically to the surface at night to feed, and then return to the depths during the day to avoid predators. Which of these zones supports photosynthesis? Is it A. Hadal-pelagic zone, B. Mesopelagic zone, or C. Epipelagic zone? The correct answer is the epipelagic zone, the uppermost layer of the ocean, where there is enough sunlight for photosynthesis. Which of these zones is home to blind organisms? Is it A. Mesopelagic zone, B. Abyssopelagic zone, or C. Epipelagic zone? The correct answer is the Abyssopelagic zone. Many organisms here have lost sight as it no longer provides an advantage in the pitch-black environment. Congratulations on completing your voyage through the ocean zones. Visit www.tutoringhour.com if you need worksheets to put your ocean zone knowledge to the test. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Thanks for exploring with us. See you soon.